Hey everybody, today is December 14th and it is my 14th day of my 25 days of Christmas. I made these little bears. I had two of them and I was going to make them into earrings for my granddaughter, but like always, in fine fashion for me, I accidentally have apparently misplaced one. I have no idea where it is. So instead of trying to locate the other one and make earrings out of it, I have this cabochon mold, and I was thinking that I could take the bear and set it down in there. Well, he's not going to sit in that one, that's for sure. So maybe that one. Let's see. Yes, if I do it the right way, I definitely can get it to sit in there. And even though it's a little bit larger than I wanted, it's going to sit up too high for this one. But with this one, I still can probably dome it on the back. I'm going to try this. I do not know if it's going to work or not. But I'm going to go ahead and put some of the UV resin that I had. It's still, the Tea Expert is what I have left. I'm going to go ahead and put some in here. Oh, that is so at the bottom. And thankfully, thanks to Miss Mercy, thank you, I have more. Don't know if you're supposed to mix different kinds or not, but I'm going to end up having to, apparently, if I want to make this project anyway. I'm thinking that was truly the end of it. Alright, well, I'm going to set this over here for a second, somewhere, and try to put my bear in there. Isn't that funny? Put my bear in there. Put my bear to you straight. Alright. Well, that's a slippery little mold. I think it's even enough right there. I'm gonna go ahead and oh no, I must have my batteries in backwards. Isn't that ironic? Hang on. Okay, I don't know what was going on. Apparently they weren't making connection. I don't know. All I know is it wasn't doing what it was supposed to be doing. I'm going to try to quick set this. And since this is for Christmas time, I got some of this iridescent glitter I'm going to put down here, and hopefully it will look like it is sitting on snow. I see a bubble. I think I got it. Oh, I don't know what's going on with my light. Okay, that should be quick set. I'm going to put it under my other larger UV light and put y'all on pause while that cures. I went ahead and added a little bit more glitter. So I'm going to quick cure that real fast and then stick it under the big lamp again. Okay, I think that's good enough. I'm going to stick it under the big lamp. Apparently that's stuck on there now. Put you on pause. I just threw on some more glitter. Oh, I just blew it everywhere too. Oh, I did it again. Okay. Yep. Oh, it's definitely down to its last little bits. Well, at least it blew it back the other way that time. And I know, you're really not supposed to be squeezing this, and I shouldn't be, because, you know, it is at the end and it's coming out pretty much on its own, but sometimes I just get a little impatient. And yeah, I am definitely trying to get every bit out of this bottle that I can before I open another one. But I more or less think I'm pretty much there. All right. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and just put this under the big lamp this time and go find the other bottle. Well, I have to find it. I know what to do with it, but I'm gonna go get one of the new bottles. Got a new bottle, getting it opened. Okay, I'm definitely done adding glitter. I'm gonna go ahead and put another layer in, and yes, I am definitely doing this in thin layers because I want to make sure it is absolutely 100% cured. Okay, that's one more layer. See a bubble. Oh, that's in the resin. Darn. Okay, well. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and stick this back under there. I'll bring you back when this one's cured. That layer is done. And with this one, I want to spread it out a little because I don't want it to be completely domed yet, but I do want it to be all over the bear. And I needed this pretty even to do what I'm going to do next. Hit the camera, sorry. Hit the camera again. Alright, one more round. I bring you back when I'm done curing that one. This mold does not seem to be sitting level. It's the mold, it's not what it's sitting on, it's the mold itself. I'm going to put some more resin on. I think that is enough. Maybe. I'm going to add this for it to be a bell for the, I'm going to make this a pendant. So I'm going to add that bell so it will stay. Oh, I took the wrong thing off. I unscrewed the whole, I took that off and not this off. Wasn't paying attention. That's what happens when you don't pay attention. Okay. Yes, that looks pretty well domed to me. I think it looks very good. I just hope that I put the bell in the center because I'm not quite sure. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Have a breach. Well, not only did it breach, but it looks like I poured extra right there because it's mounded. That didn't go well. And yes, I am cleaning the tip off every time because the last 2 bottles of UV resin that I had, we didn't keep the tips clean and it ended up running down the whole thing to where you unscrew it, and then when we would open it, it would get all over our fingers. That's not a good thing. And I cannot fix that. Can y'all see it? Yep, it bubbled up right there. Right there. But it'll do. I'm going to go ahead and cure it. Okay, well, moment of truth to see what this is going to look like. Like I said, there's nothing I can do about, I mean, I could sand it, but I already put the belt on it, and that would just be something else I have to fix. So instead of making it a pendant, I'm going to fix it so my granddaughter can put it on her backpack as a backpack charm. This is what it looks like. He's got a bubble in his ear, a bubble on his nose, and a bubble in his eye. But other than that, it's fairly cute. I think she'll like it. I mean, it's not like she looks very closely at things, you know. Oh, that is too hard to even try to take off. Oh, here we go. Oh, there we go. Okay. What do you think about the bear and the snowbank he's sitting on? If you stuck around for this video, I want to tell you that I appreciate it very much. And if you haven't subscribed, I'd like for you to hit that subscribe button today. And I'm going to ask that if you don't want to hit the subscribe button, to maybe leave me a like, or better yet, a comment would be great. I know that this isn't the prettiest thing in the world, but my granddaughter will like it, and you know what? That's all that matters to me. Alright, catch you in the next one. Bye.